I pour Coca-Cola over a bag of eggshells. This trick changed my life. Start by placing the eggshells into a container. Then pour 1 cup of Coca-Cola into the container with the shells. Add half a cup of dish soap and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Blend everything well until you get a smooth mixture. Next, using a funnel, pour it into an empty soda bottle. Now pour the prepared liquid onto a burnt pan. Let it sit for a few minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then take a sponge and gently scrub the mixture into the burnt areas. You'll see how quickly and effortlessly the burnt residue comes off. Finally, rinse the pan thoroughly under running water and dry it with a cloth. The result will surprise you. The pan will look like new and you'll forget all about hard scrubbing. This quick and effective solution works in every kitchen.